Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese and ham sandwich, only way. Lay out 2 slices of sturdy bread and spread butter on the outside and a thin layer of mayo inside. Place a slice of cheese and 2 thin ham slices, then top with the other slice. Press gently, trim crusts if desired, and grill or toast until cheese melts and bread is golden and crisp. Pick quality ingredients that work together simply and reliably. Choose a medium-firm cheese that melts well and thinly sliced ham for an even bite. Use unsliced or artisan bread so your sandwich holds up when grilled. Keep spreads minimal, a thin layer of mayonnaise inside and butter on the outside for browning. These choices make assembly faster and the final sandwich satisfying every time. Assemble with purpose and a light hand for the best result. Put cheese directly on the bread to ensure it melts into the slice, then fold ham to create even layers without bulk. Keep fillings centered and press gently before toasting to compact the sandwich evenly. Trim crusts for a tidy presentation or when packing for later. Finish by grilling until the exterior is golden and the cheese is smoothly melted.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.